Hi guys, my name's Terry. I play football and I also do soccer. And today I'm going to be reading Mighty Construction Site. Great book, guys. The author says right here, Sherri, Duskey, and Tom Lichtenheld. You guys ready? Down in the big construction site, 5 trucks wait till morning light. They're eager to get things underway. There's a brand new job to start today. But this new job is the biggest they've ever seen. An excavator, bulldozer, crane truck, dump truck, and content mixer will need the help of new construction friends to get it done. Together, there's nothing they can't do. So let's get it started. Mighty Constructions. Down in the big construction site, 5 trucks wait till the morning light. It's time. Stretch, roll out of bed, and gear up for the day ahead. Some stretching. They wipe their faces, load up on fuel, greet the sun, and rev up and run. They're eager to get things underway. There's a brand new job start day, you know. The plans unroll. They stare in awe. The biggest thing they've ever saw. A massive building, so immense, this giant job will be intense. It's a lot for them to do. Too much for just a 5-truck crew. Cement mixer is thinking fast. He gives his horn a blaring honk. And he gives him 3 more honk, 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 honk. Mighty trucks all hear the call. They start up in no time at all. Out on the road, they drive full of steam. They rush right into to join the team. Rolling, rumbling, revving hard. 10 big trucks meet in the yard. A mighty, massive super crew. There's nothing they can't do. Skid steer nimble, small and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. Bulldozer's heavy, wide, and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land. But even he can use a hand. Skid's breaker bit blast rocks the room. So Dozer rolls through without trouble. 2 friends at work, one big, one small. They clear the way, they move it off. Each long trench is marked and plain. Excavator digs the lane. Then backhoe grabs a drainage pipe and sets it down on one smooth swipe. Turn and dig, then lift and drop. Then push some dirt right back on the top. They set each pipe and then repeat. This duo doesn't miss a beat. Pulling up with all his might, Crane lifts a beam to height, and then he spins his hook around. But just before it touches the ground, Crane truck gasps. Out in surprise, he's used up all the supplies. But what's this coming down the road? Could it be another load? Mighty flatbed revs and runs, smoothly hauling 50 tons. Down the road and over the hills, Her loads strapped tight so nothing spills. On sight, she rose right to a stop, with crane supplies all stacked on top. Flatbeds, trucks save the day. Their work can get back underway. Front end loader and dump truck pair to move great loads from here to there. Digging, lifting, hauling ground, giant piles are moved around. Loader digs and scoops his fill, then tilts it up so there is no spill. His bucket raises to the max, then beep, beep, beep as loader backs. Dirt and gravel hauled away. These pals move mountains every day. Cement mixer is working hard around the construction yard. Load after load, he churns and pours, makes foundation, roads, and floors. But now, concrete needs to climb. And here's Pumper, right on time. Pumper boom unfolds, goes high, reaching up towards the sky. Feel the hopper, flip the switch and zoom. Concrete is pushed into the bone. Up through the pipe, it does not stop. The concrete comes out, way up top. Churns and pours, and lifts and fills. This team hard work with speed and skill. Rough and rugged all day long. Rolling, lifting, digging strong. Each truck has had a part to play to help the work get done today. Just like the plan, the job is complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast, and it was also fun. The new crew leaves, but on the way, crane truck waves. Great work today. The crew drives out, engines loud, feeling tired, but strong and proud. It's getting dark. The sun has set. The trucks are tired as they can get. They roll to find their cozy beds, to cuddle up and rest their heads. To close their eyes and drift away. New adventures wait for another day. Construction site, all tucked in tight. We're at work today. Now shh. Good night. So what do you guys think the theme was today? Well, I think that the thing is, if you always work together as a team, you can get things done just like the mighty construction site. Thank you guys. Be safe. Stay at home. And love you. Can't wait to get back to see you. Go Panther Nation. Guys, I want you guys to start reading at home at least 20 minutes a day. Because knowledge is power. If you don't have knowledge, you don't really have anything. You guys are Panthers. We always have knowledge and we always have power. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Miss White here. I wanted to pop on and encourage you to continue to read. You know what you're supposed to do. Just because we're not at school does not mean that you cannot read. You are supposed to be reading. I have read 5 books and I've listened to 3 Audible books in 4 weeks. So if I can do it, you can do it. Okay? I miss you. I love you. And read.